Hi everybody, I would like to introduce to you the Super Magic Light magic device, which is the product of Polysystem and Vincenzo Di Fatta. Let's see it in action. The device consists of 4 circuits. The batteries are in the back of the box. Each circuit is a switch, a cross connection and a light bulb. Let me demonstrate the functions of this device. I will leave the performance for the magicians. We will use the red cross connection to connect switch number 1 to the light number 1. Now the switch controls the light. It's clearly visible. When we unconnect it, the light doesn't work. When we reconnect it, the light turns on. We'll close the second circuit with the white wire. Now the second switch is connected to the second light. The second switch controls the second light. We'll use the green wire to connect the third connection. The fourth switch is connected to the fourth light. If we turn on the fourth switch, it turns on the fourth light. Now we'll disconnect all 4 circuits and we'll reconnect them in a different way. We'll connect the fourth switch to the third LED, the third switch to the second LED, the first switch to the first LED, and the second switch to the fourth LED. We will add a loop to the white wire. Now, according to basic physics, the second switch controls the fourth LED through the white wire. The third light is controlled by the fourth switch through the yellow wire. The second light is controlled by the first switch through the green wire. And the first light is controlled by the first switch through the red wire. Let's see it. The first switch controls the first light. The first switch controls the second light through the green wire. The fourth switch controls the third light. Now we'll turn all of them off. According to basic physics, this loop makes no difference. But let me prove it to you that it does. If we unloop the wire, then our previous logic fails in the system. Let's see. Now, according to our previous logic, the fourth LED should be controlled through the white wire by the second switch. If we turn on the second switch, oops, it doesn't control the fourth LED. Something failed. According again to our previous logic, the first LED should be controlled by the first switch, but it doesn't work. So as you can see, with the same circuits, without the loop, all switches control different lights. There are 2 solutions to this problem. Either we reconstruct the loop, or we'll use these caps. We have got a white cap, a red cap, a green cap, and a yellow cap. We'll place the red cap on the fourth light, the white cap on the third light, the green cap on the second light, and the yellow cap on the first light. Now the problem is fixed. The light with the red cap is controlled by the red wire with the first switch. The light with the yellow cap is controlled through the yellow wire by the fourth switch. The light with the green cap is controlled through the green wire by the first switch. And the light with the white cap is controlled through the white wire by the second switch. Additional to this, the caps have got another function too. The light with the yellow cap is controlled by the switch next to the yellow connection. The light with the red cap is controlled by the switch next to the red connection. The light with the green cap is controlled by the switch next to the green connection. And the light with the white cap is controlled by the switch next to the white connection. The number of tricks which can be performed by this device are unlimited and just depend on the magician's creativity and will.